Here we are going to uncrate a 2008, brand new, still in the crate, Yamaha APEX Snowmobile. It's been sitting in the crate since 2008. So let's see what we find inside. All right, there it is, all wrapped up since 2008. Give us a couple minutes here and we'll come right back with the top off. Turn that off. All right, Clinton, let's start. All right. Go ahead. Well, they aren't packed like this today. That's for sure. You have to cut these off. Why don't you walk around there and take some. Nice. There you go. Find the rest of the parts now. Remember how to do this thing? It's been a long time.
It's been a little while. 10 years.
A lot different than it used to be, that's for sure. There's one. We're going to save all the parts and pieces. The snow flap on the back, we'll leave that off for the moment. Clint, there's going to be the rest of the hood in here, right?
I have the handlight over here and the handlebar risers.
And all kinds of pieces. All those when we get further. Well, here we are back at the 2008 Yamaha 40th Anniversary Apex. First time, it's actually not coming out of the crate. The first time it's seen daylight since 2007 when it was actually built. It's going to stay in the crate. We put as much together as we can without actually taking it out of the crate. Just got the last chin piece to put on, and then we can put the hood back on, and it's about as far as we're going to be able to go because it's still bolted to the bottom of the crate. And probably one of the coolest things about this sled is the serial number. If I can zoom in here, it's serial number 0000. I guess they don't start with number 1. Anyways, it's a cool sled. We'll get another shot of it once the hood gets on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, here it is, assembled as far as it's going to go. For the new owner, he wants to leave it in the crate with the skis off and the suspension tied down in the back, but the top part is all uncrated and ready to go to its new home. So that's our story on the 2008 Yamaha APEX 40th Anniversary. Take care.